Namaskar. Welcome to my class Super KVNs powered by Super Teachers. Today we are going to learn about the topic the enormous turnip. The enormous turnip is all about one huge turnip. You can see here one huge turnip is there which is surrounded by a boy, a girl, an old man, an old woman. So, how the turnip created the story? Let's begin the class. The enormous turnip. Once upon a time, an old man planted some turnip seeds. The turnip seeds grew and grew. So, one what happened? An old man planted some turnip seeds. And finally, the turnip seeds grew and grew. After many days, when I want to pull up the enormous turnip, said the old man pulled and pulled, but he could not pull off the enormous turnip. So after some days, the old man tried to pull the enormous turnip. But he tried many times. He pulled, and pulled. After many try also, the old man, could not pull the enormous turnip. You can see here, an old woman came. You can see here, an old woman just joined the old man. I want to pull up that enormous turnip, said the old man. I will help you, said the old woman. The old woman pulled and pulled, but they could not pull up the enormous turnip. Finally, after the old woman joined, the old man and the old woman, together they started pulling the enormous turnip. But together, even they two also, they did not able to pull the enormous turnip. Finally, what happened? A boy came. A boy came. We want to pull up that enormous turnip, said the old woman. I will help you, said the boy. The old woman told the boy that we want to pull up the enormous turnip, but we are not able to do it. Will you please help us? Then the boy tell, okay, I will help you. I will help you, said the boy. The old man, the old woman, and the boy pulled and pulled. After that, the old man, the old woman, and the boy, all three together tried to pull and pull, but they could not pull up the enormous turnip. The boy, the girl, the boy, the old woman, and the man, all three tried. Finally, what happened? A girl came. We want to pull up that enormous turnip, said the boy. I will help you, said the girl. After some time, a girl came and the boy told her that we want to pull up the turnip, but we are not able to pull up the turnip. Will you please help us? The girl told, yes, I will help you. Then what happened? The old man and the old woman, and the boy and the girl pulled and pulled. Finally, the old man, the old woman, and the boy and the girl, all four together, they tried to pull. Up came the enormous turnip. Finally, the enormous turnip came out of the ground. We will help you to eat the enormous turnip, said the old woman, the boy, and the girl. After the enormous turnip came out from the ground, the boy, the girl, and the old woman, they told that we will help you to eat the enormous turnip. And they did, means finally all together four, they ate the enormous turnip. So this was all about the enormous turnip. From this story, we learn that together we stand, united we stand. Means if there is a hard work, then with the help of others we can complete that work. Now we will move to the question and answer discussion part. But before that, let me clarify some new word section. Enormous, very large in size. In sentence, I saw an enormous animal in the zoo. Turnip, a round root shaped vegetables. Already you have seen in the picture. Turnips are bitter to eat, slightly bitter to eat. Pulled, to move in a specific direction. Say pull the chair to sit. So these are the new words of this unit. Now we are moving to the question answer part. What did the old man plant? The old man planted some turnip seeds. Why was it difficult for the old man to pull up the turnip? It was difficult for the old man to pull up the turnip as it was enormous. As it was enormous or huge. Who helped him to pull up the enormous turnip? The old woman, the boy, and the girl helped him to pull up the enormous turnip. Who ate the enormous turnip? The old man, the old woman, the boy, and the girl. All together they ate the enormous turnip. Now let's add section name and draw four vegetables that have to be pulled out from the earth. Now name them in your own language. So we have to draw any four vegetables which grows under the earth, under the ground, under the soil. First is potato. We call it aloo in Hindi. Carrots we call it gajar. Beetroot, we call it chukundar, or radish, we call it mooli. So you can draw your own choices. You can draw any of the vegetables which grow under the ground. Now moving to the next one, under word building section. How many vegetables can you find in this maze? Draw a circle around each word. You can see one maze is there. You have to circle the vegetables names. Here you can see one is done for you. Potato is there already. So let me show you the other answer. It's turnip, it's beans, it's peach, it's carrot, it's tomato. And potato is already there. So all these are the vegetables. You can find, you have to make a circle out of it in oval shapes. Now moving to the next one. Write the opposite words. Pull, it's push. Black, it's white. True, it's false. Right, it's wrong. Far, it's near. Good, it's bad. Dark, it's light. So these are the opposite words of this answer. How do you like to eat these vegetables, raw or cooked? Some vegetables we can eat raw also, and some vegetables we can eat cooked also. So these are the answer. Carrots, we can eat the carrots both raw and cooked. Turnip also we can eat it raw and cooked. Potato we can't eat it raw, so we can eat the potato only cooked potatoes. Onion also we can eat the raw one and we can eat the cooked one also. Beans we cannot eat the raw ones, we can eat the cooked ones. So these are the vegetables as per the cooking styles, raw or cooked. Now move to the next sections. Complete these columns. It is all about plural form. One, many. Carrot, carrots. Turnip, turnips. Onion, onions. Potato, potatoes. You can see here es is added. Es, not simply s. We have put here es. Potatoes. Potatoes. Like that, tomato also tomatoes. Tomatoes. Es will be added in the last two words. Now I am moving to the next section. Circle the word one out. Turnip, potato, tomato, sunflower, carrot, brinjal. Clue is given vegetables. All are vegetables except sunflower. So the odd one is sunflower. Cow, horse, goat, fox, kangaroo, melon. Clue animals. All are animals except melon. So we will circle the melon. Banyan, neem, people, mango, snake, apple. The clue is trees. All are trees except the word snake. So it will be the odd one. Rose, lily, sunflower, lotus, cauliflower. The clue is flowers. So all are flowers except the word cauliflower. It is a vegetable. Last one, peacock, parrot, lizard, crow, woodpecker. The clue is the birds. So all are birds except the word lizard. So that's all for today's class. In the next class, we will discuss one more topic. In case you have doubt, you can visit my blog superkvns.blogspot.com, or you can write directly at akm.kvs@gmail.com. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you.